Replacing the key fob battery in your 2019-2021 Toyota Tundra is a simple DIY task. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Toyota has rolled out software updates to improve battery monitoring, alerting you on the dashboard when the battery is low via the Toyota Connected Services app. Replacing the battery yourself can save you $50 to $100 in dealer fees. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Avoid moisture and short-circuiting the battery contacts. First, pry open the key fob using the small notch on the edge. Gently separate the two halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up and snap the fob back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your Tundra. Ensure the battery is properly seated if it doesn't work. The frequency is 314 MHz for North America. Battery-free solutions like smartphone integration, such as Toyota's digital key feature, are increasing, potentially reducing reliance on batteries in the future. These systems use capacitive sensors or biometric authentication.